What size do you wear? What size do you wear?
Large should be fine. Large should be fine.
Which office do you work? Which office do you work?
I work in a bank. I work in a bank.
Are you busy now? Are you busy now?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
It is on the 10th of June. It is on the 10th of June.
Is the battery connected correctly? Is the battery connected correctly?
Yes, it is connected properly. Yes, it is connected properly.
Are you working tomorrow? Are you working tomorrow?
No, I'll take leave tomorrow. No, I'll take leave tomorrow.
How long have you been here? How long have you been here?
I'll stay here for a month. I'll stay here for a month.
Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
What are you two talking about? What are you two talking about?
We're talking about college. We're talking about college.
Where did you work before? Where did you work before?
No, I didn't work anywhere. No, I didn't work anywhere.
Which is better, chicken or fish? Which is better, chicken or fish?
I like fish more. I like fish more.
Can you please say that again? Can you please say that again?
Yes, I say again. Yes, I say again.
Do you work in a drugstore? Do you work in a drugstore?
No, I work in a bank. No, I work in a bank.
Could you exchange this, please? Could you exchange this, please?
No, your time is up. No, your time is up.
Would you please spell your name? Would you please spell your name?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
Have you done this before? Have you done this before?
No, it's the first time. No, it's the first time.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I am coming from college. I am coming from college.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy. Because I am happy.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
Because I didn't get the job. Because I didn't get the job.
Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting?
Because he insulted me. Because he insulted me.
Whom do you want to see? Whom do you want to see?
I want to meet the manager. I want to meet the manager.
When will you arrive? When will you arrive?
I will arrive this afternoon. I will arrive this afternoon.
Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this?
This is Bob's bag. This is Bob's bag.
Whose car is this? Whose car is this?
This is my car. This is my car.
When will you come? When will you come?
I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
I have lost my mobile. I have lost my mobile.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in America. I live in America.
Who is your friend? Who is your friend?
Bob is my friend. Bob is my friend.
When will you go there? When will you go there?
I will go next month. I will go next month.
Won't you come? Won't you come?
No, I will not come. No, I will not come.